When members join Genius Network, they receive lots of bonuses, like what we include in our unique backpacks, these things. How many of you did not get a Genius Network backpack yet? You're lying. I know you got one. Yeah, okay. We'll get you one, Robin. Now, some people call this swag, okay, swag. Something given to a client or prospect to help them enhance the relationship. By a show of hands, how many of you have ever used swag to promote your business, like a pen, t-shirt, water bottle, backpack, stuff like that? Okay, a few of you. So that was probably, I don't know, maybe, raise your hands again. Those of you who use swag. All right. What, 30, 40%? Or less? Okay. So now keep your hand up if you verified that the swag delivered at least a 10 times return on your investment. One person. Okay.
Well, let's hope so.
Yep. So, and yeah, most people, that's not the case. So, basically, what I want to have happen in this 10-minute talk. Now, this is Randy Brill is her name. She's a dear friend of mine. I've known her for many years. She's going to share with you what's important to consider. She has 5 secrets to great swag that can be big game changers for you and your business. So Randy's company is just called Randi, R-A-N-D-I. It's a brand design agency. Randi works with her peeps, her entrepreneurs, people like us. She designs brands, elevates marketing, and when it adds value, creates effective, impactful swag, known by many as the Swag Lady. She's even created swag for famous Oscar nominees, Meryl Streep, Denzel Washington, and many other celebrities. Randi's written 4 books. She speaks on all things related to branding and was our sponsor at the recent June Genius Network meeting. If you zoomed in on that meeting, you may recall Randi's Zoomers box, which is a glimpse of Randi's swag in action. So Randi creates and delivers great brand design results for her clients, so you're going to want to check out her 5 secrets of great swag. So she's going to get up here and talk about it. Please help me welcome my dear friend, Randy Brill.
Thank you. All right, do I have to click this mic thing? He's really a good friend. He's going to turn it on. I'm on. I'm on.
Awesome.
Okay, relax at the beginning because you're going to get goodies at the end. You don't have to write anything down. Now, how many of you have been to a conference? You get a bag, the bag's got stuff, you put things in it, you drag it around for the whole conference, you go back to your hotel room, and you are facing stuff. Now, this is some really nice stuff. In reality, what we all face is stuff that looks a lot more like this. And these are conference bags, and they're riddled with stuff. And it's time to go home, and you line it up, and all this stuff is covered with what I call OPL, other people's logos. So you gotta make some really hard choices. We're gonna throw them in the garbage, leave them for the lady in the room, or we're going to cram them into that luggage to take home for our kids, to take home for our teams, and in very rare instances, to take home for ourselves. And as Joe said, this stuff is known as swag. Everybody knows the cliche abbreviations. What I just showed you is stuff we all get. In reality, what we as business leaders who want to grow our businesses really want to create, we want to create swag, which means sealed with a gift. And that means swag that sticks. Sticky swag matters. And what makes it sticky? It's sticky when people want to snag our swag for themselves, not their kid, themselves. Because the beauty of this is when your swag is sticky, say that fast. When your swag is sticky, it's the holy grail because you are going to have your ROI right in the bag. All right, let's do a little data. Not everybody raised their hands, but let me ask you this. If you do use swag, do you know how much money your company spends? How about what that ROI, that actual ROI on your swag is? Well, I'm going to give you both technical answers. First of all, your spend is higher than you know, and your ROI is lower than you'd like. Now, I know this because there are 18, don't worry, I'm not going to tell you all of them, 18 critical choices you have to make for high ROI on great swag. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at 5 of these, okay? Look at my t-shirt. I'm going to swag it up for you. Are you ready? These are our high 5s for great swag. Swag that's sticky. Number 1. Show me. Please show me you know me. You want me to love this gift? Please make it about me. Okay, here's a company. Allied Insurance. Nice mug. Ceramic. Blue on the outside, darker blue on the inside. Full color logo. 60th year. How exciting. Where's this mug going to go? Well, if they are lucky, it's going to go right in the cup drawer of the break room. It's not going to be in your hands. But what if they made the message about the recipient? What if this mug came to you? It's a very safe bet I'm going to need coffee before we discuss that. Chances are you might hold on to that longer. Take a pick. Which one might you gravitate toward? Now notice on the second one, there's no logo. So I want you to look at a different way to logo. Allied could have put a message on the back that still was in keeping. Here's what it says. Allied Insurance, the safe bet. 60 years and going stronger than any cup of coffee. Enjoy this one on us. They told their message, and it's still about the recipient. Secret idea number 2, stop dating for good. Everybody loves Yeti. Look at this Yeti. It's nice, but if I take this to the beach, what does everybody know? Randy, you brought an 8-year-old Yeti. It's old. Don't date your stuff. It is the biggest reduction to your ROI. This group could have done this. You snooze, we lose. You can always make it about the functionality of the item as well. Just keep an R cool. Secret idea number 3.
Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video, and I want to let you know that I have a new book that's come out, and if you'd like to get it absolutely free, there's a link below in the description, or you can wait till the end of this video, or you can simply go to joesfreebook.com and you can get a copy there.
This is important. It's your thought that counts. Teams love to do swag. It's a change of pace. It's exciting. They enjoy it. But you are the one who knows your business, your goals, your values. This person can do a wonderful job of organizing. You want this person to choose your swag. Delegated swag without your leadership immediately becomes relegated swag. Goodwill to landfill. You need to lead. Secret idea number 4. The rain in Spain falls mainly on campaigns. Well, I want you to remember that one. That's why I did it that way. A lot of people do one-off swag. Oh, a pen, a jacket, a sweater, a this, a that, a golf outing. If you put a message on it at the end of the year, you've got a bunch of different things, and none of it has, it's a bunch of mixed messages. Or you've used your logo like a salt shaker, and everything is only unified by your logo. But if you plan your swag as a campaign, you're not going to spend more money. You're going to invest better money. Check this out. Here's a little pencil cup. This pencil cup is the least expensive component in this swag campaign. You can give this to a prospect because you haven't really forged that relationship yet. You can choose a more expensive item. Perhaps like this stapler, put a note that says, "We'll help you hold it together." Check out the 5 components in this campaign. Now notice, desk accessories, one of my very favorites. Why? Who are they going to think of when they pick up that stapler? Your name does not need to be on it. Okay, you could even send 1 per month. Drip, 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 touch point, touch point, touch point. You can also, with certain items, imprint the same design on 2 different colors of product. Now, when you do that, what does that do? It expands your flexibility. And that means you can sub-bundle. You can scale your swag up, scale your swag down, but you're reaching a lot more people. Oh, I got a holiday gift just from 2. You can also group the entire thing together and do 1 mega gift for special connections. Secret number 5, and this one's a biggie. We're talking about sticky swag. But the stickiest swag of all goes far beyond the gift itself. The stickiest swag creates an experience. That's why number 5 is called It's a Packaged Deal. Let's go back to our little mug. Now, it's ceramic. It absolutely has to be packaged in bubble and go in a box, right? Well, you could put it in a box like this. You could put your mailing label on it. If it came to you, Jeremy, what are the odds that it's going to be opened and taken out of that before it gets to your office? Probably pretty high. Here's a mug Dave sent you. Great, put it in the kitchen. Boom. What if you got this? What if it was a box that started to acknowledge you, that told a story, that connected to a theme? Chances are that would get into your office unopened. Then you get to experience this. Okay, I want to ask you a question. First of all, I cannot believe I am doing this, but I'm going to do it. Bear with me. It's because I love you and you love me. Okay, look at this man. I just stood up here and told you that we really don't want a logo. And yet, look around this room, look at all of us. That is my favorite backpack on the planet, and I am, in addition to the swag lady, the bag lady, and I love that backpack. And I am proud as hell to carry anything that says Genius Network. However, even Genius Network can have their brand enhanced. God help me. Okay, kids, here we go. Now it gets better, but I have a mic on me, so I'm being careful. Mike's gonna kill me. Hang on. Check it out. All my peeps are geniuses. Now, it gets even better because, wait. Joe, come here. Just come here, mister. Okay, here's the deal. I have this really cool bag. Hold it up, you can be Vanna. Okay? I lead a genius life. And
Of course I know Joe. I'm part of Genius Network.
That's right. Now.
Oh, I didn't have my mic on, sorry.
That's okay, you can share mine.
Well, of course I know Joe. I love
Now
it.
that hat, that's not for you. Because you do, I hope you know Joe.
Yes,
but
I do.
If you, who likes that hat? Okay, who would like Joe to autograph that hat? Who would like to donate to Genius Recovery? That, my friend, is what swag does. You can have fun with your brand and your peeps. And what I'll tell you is at lunchtime, if you ask me, I'll show you my socks. And last but not least, I have my little Joe Polish tattoo.
Is that really a
It's a fake tattoo.
Oh my God, I can't believe this.
You should have seen me in the bathroom of the Embassy Suites trying to do this alone last night.
That is hysterical. I love it.
Okay, that's what swag can do. Are you going to remember this 10-minute talk? Yeah. I think so. Thank you.
You're awesome. Oh my God, I love it. Thank you. Okay, I hope you found that video awesome and useful. So if you want to get a free copy of my book, I want you to click here. And if you want to watch some more videos that'll be useful and awesome, click here. Go ahead. They're over here. Do it now. Come on. Thank you. Watch them.